mothers, that means ma. Ma, there is a comfort zone in our life, और उसका नाम लेते हैं, we get a lot of positive vibes because she make a positive to everyone, daughter, and any of the bad situation they are standing. She gives the positivity. She gives the hope. She is the house of our hope. And at the last week, few week before, I have a university exam, and at that time I am getting sick a lot, and similarly my brother also. And that time she was take care of us, both of us, a lot. But that time I get so many thoughts are coming related to my mothers. But that was the thought are stuck in my mind for a long. Uh, so that I want to share with you why the mothers are not sick. Why she take not going to the hospital easily. We are getting too much force to go there and take a medicine, take care of us ourselves. We are hampering for that thing कि hospital क्यों नहीं जा रही, and why she is not take care of our beauty and not take care of our health, and she's energetic full a day, and care of everyone those who are living in with around her. And when I am asking to her, मैंने जब उसको पूछा कि why you are not seeking as us, because you are also the human being, you are have every organ like us. She told my responsibility to dear, and that time I am feeling too happy. She made too much complex. That's why we are not explain our. She have a no word to how can I describe. She have so many sacrifices about her everyone, in time, in dreams, in finance, in everything. Maybe the एक good woman के लिए she have so many sacrifices in her life for making the happy to another one, those who are living around her. From the morning, why the mothers are not sleep at the 7 a.m., why the mothers are not sitting at a dinner togetherly. We are missing a lot, but she is not to be with us. From the childhood, everyone mothers from the older one, older peoples are too much judgmental. That's why the ladies are like that. The older generations are grandpa and grandmothers. That time, from the childhood, the girls and boys make a difference. Maybe from the childhood, from their morning routine, the girls have a responsibility of their hometown, and she completed all the work in a home, and later on go to the school, and related to farm work also she can be do. And that was the thing. From the childhood she getting to that kind of an environment. That's why she make a best version in front of everyone, and that best version sacrifices a lot from the am 1 am to the last of the day. She make a better one each day, each second, in each moment in a life, in a single day. From morning, she sacrifice with her sleep. She cannot be take a 7 a.m. till the 7 a.m. sleep. Have a internally she wanted to be sleep with that comfort zone in a bed, but she sacrifices that. From next, she have a pray to the god, because the environment is like that, and that's why she is not eating food and take a breakfast before the bathing, before pray the god. And for that she completed all the work about the cleaning and dusting in a house, and later on take a bath and god pray the god, and then the huge timer expended that work, and later on we take a dinner. Maybe that time that the AM is passed and PM well started, and later on she sacrifices with their afternoon sleep also, because that time they cleaning all the, like so many work are pending, cleaning the rice, cleaning the wheat, and later on she sacrifices with the dinner also. She cannot be sit with us, and so many this kind of a work she sacrifices in a single moment, in each single second. And everyone have a own story. Similarly, dad also be sacrifices a lot thing. Also, they both are too good. Uh, they are not lesser than the God. If the world have a real God, and I promote that give the first stage, for first location in my life, and later the second position I give to my parents. That was the best moment, and that was a good thing give to the God, and thankful a lot. I'm thankful to everyone, everything they give, and that's the reason I make it. The God was completed everyone with this, and those who have parents and have a mother and fathers, give the response, give the respect, and take from the respect from the another one. And if you are making good relation with them, then you also feel happy in your future when the another your childs are making same behavior with you, and take care of you like you are take care of your mothers and fathers. And is this okay with this grateful session and grateful moment? I'm grand grateful to the God and thankful to the God a lot. I have no word to give the thanks, and I feel that thanks, and I have no word about that. How can I explain? But definitely, I make something huge for our parents. And is this okay with this? And is this only a question? Everyone needs to ask why the mother is not sick. Why everyone those who are to listen this session, this conversation with me, who are with me, then please ask the single question to our own mothers. Why you are not sick? Why you are not take dinner with us? Why she is not take care of us? Maybe they have an answer. Maybe I just guessing. She have she had that responsibility give to who is given to her. No one knows. She is also knows who are given that responsibility. She take because the older generation from the morning. Every mothers maybe they stuck that thought in every mother. Your daughters make a good version in front of everyone those who are living in a society. That kind of a behavior you have to giving your society, and that's why that society is one of the time everyone says now the single coin have a two sides, the positive and the negative. What you are achieve, what you are absorb from that depends on you. And that was the reason the some ladies are getting grateful, and they if they are so many people are says she is getting that kind of greatness, but she sacrifices. She is too much selfish. If the girls are taking if the girls are doing a dinner together with their family members, if the women are sleep till the 7 a.m., if the girls are take a breakfast before the bathing, it's okay if she is comfortable, if she is selfish, because she have a right. Okay with this. If she is selfish, if together take a dinner, this is the selfishness. It's okay with this. Someone who are told like this, she have also, and she is jealous. That's why she think about that negative thought regarding herself. Okay with this.